Hello Happy Souls, this is Kawasaki KB100 RTC rebuilt, and these are all the segments which I have classified for this restoration project. In that we are in part 5, removing the accessories. Now we are in part 3 of it, removing the number plate and the indicator bracket assembly. And starting from the number plate with a 10 mm spanner, remove the two 10 mm nuts and bolts at the either sides, and then moving to the indicator bracket, use the same 10 mm spanner. It has a reflector and two indicators mounted on it, and even this bracket looks similar to the Max R100 or indicator bracket. And then moving to the wiring system, here actually there are four wirings, two for the left indicator and two for the right indicator, and these indicators are all like chrome plated, but see the condition now how it is, and we have to replace it. And see you in the next video. Until then, bye, and see the description for more videos.